have my two shot glasses right here, and I'm gonna use these as placers in order to help me with my crazy legs drills. So start by putting your right foot in front, put that right heel out, and then as you bring that right foot back in a half circle motion, simultaneously move forward your left foot. So it will look like this. So let's try just that again. Start in this position, and you're going to move both feet at the same time. Back and forward. One more time. Right, now this time, as you move that left foot forward and right foot back, get ready to move your left heel back like this. And as you move that heel back, your weight is on your front two wheels of your right foot, and you are pushing those forward. Right, so this is kind of confusing to explain. So you start off like this, bring your right foot back, left foot forward, and then you switch. So on the switch, you're gonna pop your left heel out, and now switch, and switch, and switch, and switch. Remember, your weight is always on your toes. Switch, weight is on your toes, just pop the heels out, like this. Pop the heels out. All right, so start by having your right heel out and your left foot is back. Move that right foot back in a circular motion, a half circle, while you're moving your left foot forward. And then you're going to pop both heels out, like this. Out, out. And now do the same thing to the left. Right foot comes forward while the left foot is creating a half circle motion. And then you're gonna pop the heels out. Again, and out, again, and out, again, out, out, in, out, in, out, circle, out, circle. Make sure your weight is on your toes. Out, circle, out, circle, out, circle, out, circle. Now you're ready to move away the shot glasses and try it on your own without the markers. So start in that position, half circle, switch, half circle, switch, half circle, switch. And don't forget, as you're putting that half circle towards the back, your other foot is moving straight forward. So half circle, switch. Really want to use your hips when you turn out that heel. Whoop. It's hard to do it in slow motion. And when you get more comfortable, when you go in this position, keep your weight on that front foot and keep your back heels off the ground. So it'll look like this. See, my right heel is off the ground, my left heel is off the ground, and it rolls forward. Up, forward, up, forward, up, forward. So stylistically, this is its own version of crazy legs. Another thing you can do is get rid of this middle point and just go smoothly from here to here. That one's a little bit more tricky for me, but I'll try. So first I'll start off with the slower version. So middle, back, back, and go into middle, back, Don't forget to use your hips, and I like to keep my hands down and swinging at my sides or straight out for balance. Good luck!